Hello everyone, I'm Zaira, a numerologer, and once again you're welcome back to my channel. And this video is gonna be an extension of my previous videos. My previous videos were on how to calculate your psychic and destiny number and about the characteristics of planets. If you haven't checked them out yet, you can get the link of the videos in the description box below. And today we are gonna talk about Loshu grid. And once again, we are only gonna talk about numbers, and numbers. You'll be amazed and surprised to see the power of numbers. They are very strong, and with the help of these, you can know that why there's are ups and downs in your life, why you're not having good relationship with your family and friends. And you can also know that why you are not getting success in your job or career. And you can also know that why your child is not listening to you and not even paying attention to the studies. So with the help of numerology, it can help you to reach your goals. Now, have you ever thought that why some people in this world are successful and some are unsuccessful? This is because that successful people know about their strengths and they also know how to explore them, and they vice versa also know that how to overcome their weaknesses. With the help of numerology, they can get success, and it's just like magic, you won't believe it. With the help of numerology, you can not only find your weaknesses and strengths, but they can also predict your future, lucky and bad years. And with the help of numerology, you will be able to take the right decision at the right time. And come on, let's talk about Loshu grid. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I need your love. I'm just like a little sister, isn't it? So, there are many types of numerology in this world you must be knowing. For example, you can see on the board that Chinese numerology, Vedic numerology, Kyrgyz numerology, Chaldean numerology, Pythagorean numerology. But today here we will learn about Chinese numerology, but we will mix somewhat Vedic and Kyrgyz numerology as well. Loshu grid is based on Chinese numerology. It is also called magic square or 3x3 grid as well. And there are 9 blocks in the Loshu grid. Now you must ask that why only 9 blocks? So I may clear you that there in numerology there are only 1-digit numbers, that is 1 to 9. Whenever you get any 2-digit numbers, so you'll have to reduce it to 1 digit. And you know, each number has their own particular place in the Loshu grid, and this Loshu grid will be your reference grid. So here is our Loshu grid, and in this grid you will find 9 numbers. So our first number is 4, 9, 2, then 3, then 5, 7, 8, 1 and the last number is 6. And in this Loshu grid you will be able to find 3 horizontal lines. So our first horizontal line is 4, 9, 2. And our second one is 3, 5, 7. And the third one is 8, 1, 6. Now we will see 3 vertical lines. So our first vertical line is 4, 3, 8. And now our second vertical line is 9, 5, 1. And the last and the third one is 2, 7, 6. Now we'll see the 2 diagonal lines. So our first diagonal line is 4, 5, 6. And now the second one is 2, 5, 8. So you can find in this Loshu grid each number and all the lines have their own qualities. You must have noticed that sum of all the lines is equal to 6, which equals to 15 and then reduced to 6. And each line and numbers affect our personality, and these are called the 8 yogas. So friends, a quick revision about all the numbers in the Loshu grid. So first we have 4, which denotes Rahu, and beside that we have 9, which is the number of Mars, and then we have 2, which means Moon. Now come to the next line. We have 3, which denotes Jupiter, and then we have 5, which is the number of Mercury, and beside that we have 7, which means Ketu. And now come to the last line. We have 8, which means Saturn, and beside that we have 1, which means Sun, and then the last number is 6, which means Venus. So friends, today we learned about the history of Loshu grid, which will be your reference grid. And in the next video, we will learn about how to make your numeroscope with the help of Loshu grid, and about all the 8 yogas, which means the 8 lines in the Loshu grid. And we will also see the characteristics of all the numbers in your Loshu grid. And friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I need your love. So friends, bye for now. Meet you in the next video.